Guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so we're gonna make another video of a quick fix. If you guys have this problem, it's a no crank no start with stiff brakes. Now, normally when you guys get a no crank no start, you guys are thinking it's probably the battery, fuse, starter, ignition switch, something like that. I had this situation a couple of days ago and couldn't figure out what the problem was. I went through all the diagnosis as far as checking out the battery, checking out the fuses, checking out the relays, making sure that there was I even went as far as trying to bump start the starter from the relay. And if you guys don't know how to do that, there's a easy trick to do it with. If you guys can find another relay that's similar, that doesn't that goes to one of the accessories, blower motor or whatever, you guys can swap it out, and you guys could try to see if it's the relay that's the problem. But just had me scratching my head the whole entire time. I even had to put an OBD2 scanner just to scan it, just to see what the problem was. This problem came out of nowhere. I haven't had any issues with this vehicle in a while. In fact, I actually thought could have been the fob remote that was the problem, but I had no issues unlocking the door, doing any of that stuff. Everything else worked. It just wouldn't crank. It just wouldn't start. So I had to do some research on this issue. And if you guys are in this situation where you guys are scratching your head over what the issue is, and you guys went through all the diagnosis as far as trying to figure out whether it's any of the stuff that I went through also, this will definitely help you guys out in a situation like this. Now, it does have something to do with the fob key, but it's not the battery in this case. Now, if you guys look at the fob key, there's a button on the fob key, and a lot of people mistakenly push this button. And if you guys do that, what it's gonna do is it's gonna lock you out, because it's a security button on the fob key. A lot of people press that by mistake and unknowingly do that. And I remember when I was fishing around with the fob key, trying to at one point, I think I may have pressed that button by mistake. But if you guys press that button, it's gonna lock you out. It's a safety feature that will just more like a panic button. It'll disable your vehicle from starting. And what you guys gonna have to do in this situation is you guys gonna have to do a reset on the fob key. All right. Hopefully this situation, you guys found this video and this situation helps you guys out, and it's an easy fix for you guys, because it really has nothing. It's actually kind of particular to maybe this vehicle or vehicles like this. But if you guys are in this situation, try this, and I think this actually might help your situation out. All right. Basically, what you guys want to do to get your vehicle out of security mode is you guys want to press the lock and unlock button on your fob key, and you're gonna hold it there for about 10 seconds. Around 8 seconds, what's gonna happen is your vehicle is gonna honk twice. All right, then you're gonna release it, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna press the lock button twice. You're gonna release it, and you're gonna press your button once, and at that point it should actually reset, and you should be able to start your vehicle. Now, if you guys want to know what the symptoms are of this that's different from having a starter issue or a fuse issue or a relay issue, here's what the symptom is. Okay, your brakes are going to be stiff. Your brakes are gonna be stiff. This is these are on push start vehicles. Your brakes are gonna be stiff. Normally, if you have a starter issue or a starter relay or a battery issue or a fuse issue that's relating to the ignition system, the brakes shouldn't be stiff. But in this situation, the brakes are stiff, would be stiff, and that's essentially the fix for it. It's an easy fix. If you guys are in this situation, hope this has helped you guys out. If you guys have any comments of similar situations, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time. All right, guys, take care.